The new PII Common Proposal form asks each practice to break down their practice areas into different categories and then to have a look at all the monies coming in under each one of those categories. What you'll find now is that if you go to a particular case, let's say we go back to the Roberts file and we edit the case, we see now down below in the bottom right we have an area that deals with these insurance categories for the Common Proposal form. So we mark the case as a personal injuries file under our case types, but for the purposes of the insurance companies they want us to be a little bit more specific, and you'll notice that these categories correspond with the ones in the insurance form. So if we mark, for example, this file as a personal injury claimant, we say the fee that has been received, when it's received, we click save. That will allow us in the future to run off a report on those categories. So we look at this conveyancing file, we edit it, and we see that the category has been marked as conveyancing residential and that €5,000 came in on that on this particular date. So as long as we're recording each one of these on every file, we can now run off a report, and you will see this, it's called the PII report for fees received. And if we click that and we click all dates, we'll click continue, we can see that it'll provide a report that breaks down the practice into the different areas of practice: conveyancing residential, criminal, debt collection. It shows the number of cases we're dealing with on each one, the total amount that came in on each of these, the percentage that makes up, and then the average, highest and the lowest. And this is exactly the kind of information that the Common Proposal forms ask you to provide. So that can be a massive time saver at the end of the year, as long as you're recording these bits of information on every file as they're opened up, and then again as the fees come in.